Hello everyone. In this video, I will guide you on how to transfer out from your Worldcoin Vault using the World app. First, open the World app on your mobile device. Give it a few seconds to load and make sure you are on the home screen. Once the app is fully open, look at the bottom of the screen and tap on the Wallet section. This is where all your balances and vault options are displayed. After you enter the Wallet section, scroll down slowly until you find the Vault option. The vault is usually shown below your main wallet balance. Tap on the vault to open the vault management page. Inside the vault section, you will see different options related to your vault funds. Here, tap on the button that says Transfer Out. Once you tap on Transfer Out, a new screen will appear asking you to select the amount you want to transfer. Enter the amount carefully. Double-check that the amount you type is correct to avoid mistakes. After entering the amount, tap on Continue to move to the next step. The app will now show you a confirmation screen. Take a moment to review these details. If everything looks good, tap on Confirm Withdrawal to finalize the transfer. After you confirm the withdrawal, the app will process the request. This usually takes a short moment. Once the transfer is complete, you will see a final screen. Tap on Done to finish the process. Your funds should now be successfully transferred out of the vault and will be available in your wallet balance. Thanks for watching.